Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on eBay. So first, you may want to head over to ebay.com and from here, just look for the product that you want to purchase. Say for example, we want to purchase this case and proceed to buy it now. So from the checkout page, you can see here that you can only pay with credit card, PayPal, GPay, and PayPal credit, and even debit cards. And there's no Apple Pay option. You can also see here the gift cards and coupons. And what we're going to do is head over in a new tab, then go to dondel.com. And from here, we're just going to search for eBay gift card. So just click on this. So the product that we're trying to order costs around $30. So we're going to purchase the $50 gift card. And as you can see, Apple Pay is included in the payment options for this gift card. And all you have to do is click on the Buy Now button, proceed by choosing a payment method, and from here you can just proceed by selecting Apple Pay and proceed to check out. So once you're done purchasing, you can now proceed back to the checkout page. Here, just enter in the gift card code, then click on apply. And from there, you can now proceed by confirming and pay for the item. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!